Today I will be demonstrating the SodaStream. First, remove the lid from the bottle and then fill it with water. Fill it right to this line. Okay, you just push that up, push that in, and make sure there's room underneath. That shows it's locked in good. You push the button for 2 seconds at a time. 3 pushes is lightly carbonated, and 5 pushes is more heavily carbonated. You can even push it more than that if you want it even more carbonated. But I find the 3 pushes is pretty carbonated. Okay. And there you have it. I did a bit of research, and what SodaStream makes is Seltzer. The difference between Seltzer and club soda is Seltzer is just water with carbon dioxide added. Club soda is water with carbon dioxide added, plus they add various amounts of different minerals to sort of alter the taste. Let me just pour some into a glass. You can really hear that fizz. That is really good.